10 celebrities who were emotionally affected by their roles. Playing an iconic character often brings fame, money, and awards for any actor. However, the fans often ignore that preparing to become someone else in a film or television show can be a challenging process, and have emotional consequences in the actors. It is common that after an extreme project, the actors have problems letting go of the character and even feel mentally damaged because of it. Number 10. Anne Hathaway, in Les Miserables. Anne Hathaway received an Academy Award thanks to her role as Fantine in Les Miserables. The process of creating the character demanded a lot of the actress, and she felt depressed after it. I was in such a state of deprivation, physical and emotional. When I got home, I couldn't react to the chaos of the world without being overwhelmed. It took me weeks till I felt like myself again. The actress also followed an extreme diet that made her lose 25 pounds in total. Number 9. Isabelle Adjani, in Possession. Isabelle Adjani made some of the most impressive scenes we saw in a horror movie when she starred in Ownership. The scenes scared people all over the world, and she received a Caesar Award for her performance. However, the awards were not the only thing that she gained with the movie. In an interview, Isabelle Adjani said that she had post-disturbing stress disorder, and she needed therapy for many years until she finally got rid of her character. Number 8. Daniel Day-Lewis in Phantom Thread. Daniel Day-Lewis is one of the best actors of his generation, and he has a reputation for intense preparation when he needs to play a new character. When he starred in My Left Foot, he spent almost the whole year in a wheelchair. In Hamlet, he got so absorbed in character that he believed he saw the ghost of his father. Acting is a powerful experience for Daniel Day-Lewis, and he got depressed after filming Phantom Thread. The actor decided to announce his retirement then. Number 7. Leonardo DiCaprio, in The Revenant. Leonardo DiCaprio finally won an Oscar when he played Hugh Glass in The Revenant. It required a lot from the actor and also made the headlines because it was difficult to shoot and exposed DiCaprio to dangerous situations. The crew traveled to Argentina, where they had to shoot in temperatures below 30 C. It was also about strength, and it affected everyone's emotions. I'm not complaining about the difficulty of it, but it took us all somewhere that we never imagined, DiCaprio told The Guardian. Number 6. Heath Ledger, in The Dark Knight. Heath Ledger has the most heartbreaking history on this list. The actor played the Joker in The Dark Knight, which was his most impressive role, and received a posthumous Oscar for his work. As we know, he died of an accidental overdose in January 2008. Number 5. Kit Harington, in Game of Thrones. Kit Harington became a household name for playing Jon Snow for 8 seasons in Game of Thrones. But playing such an intense character can bring emotional damage. Kit Harington started to have mental health struggles after the phase of death and the resurrection of his character. The actor told Variety that he felt very weak, but he thought that he could not complain because people thought he was too private. After Game of Thrones ended, Harington signed into a wellness retreat to treat stress, exhaustion, and alcohol abuse. Number 4. Shelley Duvall, in The Shining. Shelley Duvall gave a fantastic performance as Wendy in The Shining. The movie became a classic and still terrifying generation, but it also had some emotional effects on Shelley Duvall. The crew spent 13 months shooting the film, and it demanded a lot of people involved in it. Number 3. Margot Robbie in I, Tonya. Margot Robbie played Tonya Harding in I, Tonya, and she was so involved in the project that sometimes she could not tell the difference between her and the character, and filming in actual life. I genuinely thought we were these people. and we were off the set, running down the street screaming at each other, and the cameras are running after us. I think I was screaming something about needing to go to the hospital because my hand was broken. It wasn't, but I was so caught up in the moment. And Sebastian was like, "Margot, what are you going?" He went to pick me up because I was continuing to tear down offset, and I turned and punched him in the head. Number 2, Bill Skarsgard, in it. It is one of the scariest movies of the last era. The cast was incredibly dedicated, and Bill Skarsgard, who played Pennywise, was absorbed by the character. The actor compared it to a critical relationship, and even after ending filming, it took months until he got Pennywise out of his system. I was home, done with the movie, and I started having very strange and vivid Pennywise dreams. Every night, he came and visited. Number 1, Bob Hoskins, in Who Framed Roger Rabbit. Who Framed Roger Rabbit might be a pleasant movie to watch, and it doesn't seem to bring many struggles to the cast. However, Bob Hoskins, who played Pi Eddie Valiant, has many issues with it. The actor spent 8 months filming just hearing the voice of animate characters, but with no one by his side, which made him start to have delusions, and it was hard to get rid of all the characters.